Okay, so let's get started. Japanese lesson slang from following words. Number 1 is hamoru. Do you guys know this word? Hamoru. Ha and mo are katakana. Only ru is hiragana. Slang from foreign words. So in Japanese, when we write foreign word, we use katakana. So hamo, this is something like English word. Hamster, hammer. No, because hamster is hamusta. So if it's hamusta, it's hamuru, not mo. And hammer is hammer in Japanese. It's mo. Hamo. Yes, it's verb. It's verb. Yes, it's a group 1, go down verb. Hamo is English word. Okay, the hint. We use hamoru, this word, when we go to karaoke box. ブラッドさん正解です。ハーモニーです。ハーモニー。ハモる。Yeah, so what does hamoru mean? One person sings the main melody to which others and higher or lower pitches. Like one person sing like la 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 la, and other person sing like la 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 at the same time. Yes, so making harmony is hamoru. Harmonizing ってんだ。あ、英語にはちゃんとあるんだね。So we use hamoru as verb. 知らなかった。I didn't know that in English we say harmonizing. Means hamoru. So hamoru, this is a Japanese slang, but this is not a new word. Japanese people have been using hamoru, this word, for a long time. So in English, like you say, like I Google, right? So Google is kind of like a verb. So I Google something, which means I explore something on Google, you know? Yes. So, alright, the next one. How do you say I Google in Japanese slang? So, guguru. So, guguru です。The second word, slang is guguru. Guguru. In katakana, we say guguru, not guguru. Guru. There is a long stick here. So, guguru, gugu. In ru だね。It's really like familiar word because it sounds so similar to English. Group 1 verb. Nice. Alright, じゃあ next one. pakuru. Pakuru. Please guess, what does pakuru mean? Paku is カタカナ and ru is ひらがな。パルクールNo. Pack a suitcase. And then actually, pack is correct, but meaning is different. So what does pakuru mean? So pack is correct, not a suitcase though. Parking. No. Onomatopoeia for eating. 違います。No. Like pakwan. It sounds cute though. So this is really common Japanese slang here, but I didn't know the like original word in English. The origin word is pack or pluck. Pluck. Pakuru is steal something, like steal, imitate, take something from others. So steal someone's idea. Originally referring to catching the thief. So pakuru means catching a thief, but it is now also used in the nuance of stealing an idea. We don't use pakuru for money. Physical object. The next one, what does saboru mean? これもグループ1ですね。 So what does サボ mean? そう、サボ、カタカナる、ひらがな。そうです。サボタージュ。そうそう、オーニーさん、正解です。It's サボ。サボタージュですね。So which means skip class, skip work, skip, you know? Yes. サボる. The original word is French word. And via English, saboru is in Japanese. It refers to slacking off. In English, sabotage is a pretty different meaning, right? Bother someone, でしょ? But we say saboru, which means slacking off. Alright, the next one is emoi. This is not a verb. This is an adjective. Emo. What does emo mean? Emotional. Ah, yes, correct. So, emotional. Guys, is this emotional or emotional? The second one is, いだってこれはemotional. But we say so not emoi, it's emoi. Emoi. Inspiring, nostalgic, and moving, like feeling. I always use emoi, which means nostalgic, like 懐かしい。このアニメエモいよね。Maybe Korean anime is sometimes emoi. You know, like Himmeru-kun and Furide-chan are talking in the past. The scene was so emoi. But you know, but this emoi, like meaning is like a little bit, like heavy. You know, like not the casual, but this is slang. Emoi, this is slang, so this is a really casual word. Casual expression, frequently used, in daily conversation. For example, how to use emoi, example sentence is この曲めっちゃエモいとかね。この this 曲 song めっちゃ very, but this is casual. Emoi, emotional. This song is maybe like stay with me 真夜中のドアを叩き Yes. Maybe this song is めっちゃエモい。では次 next slang. What does ワンチャン mean? ワンチャン This is all katakana characters. Yes, you guys are correct. One chance. It's one is one. Chan is chance. One chance. 例えば Okay, now I'm running to the train station. Oh my gosh, I'm late. I'm almost late. Yes, and ワンチャン間に合う Yes, I made it. I will make it ワンチャン So I don't know I can make it or not. But now I'm running to the train station and I maybe make it. Or I maybe not. To have even the slightest possibility. Okay, you love some pretty girl and you are looking at the pretty girl and pretty girl like winking you like wanchan she likes you. But you are not really sure. But she winking you. ワンチャン彼女はあなたのことが好きかも。Small possibility. Slim chance っていう Slim chance? Maybe 1%, 2%. It's so small possibility. But maybe. Not a dog. Different pitch accent. Slim chance. ワンチャン。But doggo is ワンちゃん。Okay, では次。What does ディスる mean? ディスる。これはディスる。This is カタカナ。る This is ひらがな。This 何々。Yes, スオイさん correct. It's disrespect. So, disrespect. ディスる which means to belittle, criticize. そう、slander とかね。Can also work, I think. This D-I-S-S, is this the verb? English verb? Dissing って言うんだ。 This is also slang. 同じだね。Just saying. Yes. So this thing. This. 次行きます。Next one. What does bazuru mean? Basil? No, this is not the food. Yes, it's bazu. This is カタカナ. Ru is ひらがな. Buzz. B-U-Z-Z. To be talked about social media or internet. We can say to create a buzz around something in English. Thank you. 英語だとバズを作るって表現するんだね。Next one is mochibe. Mochibe. なんでしょう。motivation. Mochibeer. We need that. We need mochi and mochibeer. Yes, mochibe is motivation. これはカタカナですね。カタカナ。In Japanese, mochibe means willingness. Mochibe is a noun. Today it's raining and I wanna do nothing, so I don't have any mochibe today. Like that. So, yes. Next word is apple. What does apple mean? This is also noun. そして、これもカタカナ。Application. No, application. So if application, it's apple. It's apple. Apologize. No, appointment. セルフさん。Correct. そう、ゆうなぎさんも正解です。これ、アップは appointment。これはね、appointment ですね。Do you have apple today? Okay, let me see schedule. Yeah, I have apple today at 3 p.m. Like that. Because in katakana, appointment, so long, so we just say apple. In Japan, we use apple only in business situation. Isn't the katakana used when they're not really a Japanese word for something? We say appointment is appointment, apple, or yoyaku. Yoyaku is kind of like a restaurant or like hotel room. Yeah, so not like see someone, appointment. Because you know, in English, like I go to see a doctor, right? This is appointment, でしょ? But in Japan, we say I made a reservation to go to the hospital. So we don't have like to see someone, appointment. So we use カタカナ。予定だとね、スケジュールになっちゃうからね、ちょっと違う意味になっちゃうかな。Next one. This is really easy. What does memoru mean? You know, like what is memo? Memo. This is English. Avoid it. No, taking a memo. That's right. Yes, this is take a note. Take a memo. This is the same like I Google. Guguru. Yes. So memoru is I memo. So I take a memo. This is really common. Commonly used. So memo. 記録ってことだね。Like, でも記録だからメモ、Guys, I just realized English word memo came from memory. Yeah? そうなんだ。知らなかった。I didn't know that. The memory is correct. Memo is short for memorandum って言うんだ。not memory. Memorandum か。Like memorize とかね。Memo. Next one. What does app mean? App, these were katakana. Air and pu are different words. 2 words. Not airport. Not airplane. It's like saying you did something that you didn't do. So, air is air. Pu is play. So, airplay. So, airpu is like to speak without actually experiencing it. For example, like, Splatoon is a really fun game, right? And you would say like, yeah, Splatoon is a really nice game, yeah. But actually, you have never played Splatoon before. But you would say like, yeah, Splatoon is amazing, wow. Without actually experiencing. So like pretending to know. App is like a internet slang. Japanese internet slang. fu means play. Yes, では次いきます。デコル。What does deco mean? Deco is カタカナ。あ、早い。So, deco is decoration. To decorate. So, like, 爪をデコる like, decorate my nails? This is commonly used. デコる like nails, cakes, room. So, when birthday party, a lot of balloons, and like ribbons. そうそう、Christmas decoration. クリスマスツリーをデコるとか like I デコる Christmas tree. じゃあ次はラグイ。これも英語？ラグ is カタカナ E is ひらがな and this is adjective. ラグイ Yes. ラギー So lag. Yes, ラグイ So like なこちゃん Today your streaming is really laggy. 今日の配信めっちゃラグイよ。How do you say ラグイ in English? あ、ラギー、ありがとう。パリピ。あ、パリピ。これね、実はね、何回か前の配信でやったんだ。Guys, do you guys know パリピ mean? これは全部カタカナです。So, パリ and P are like different word. It's separated, two words. I hear it on パリピ孔明。Yes, パリピ孔明。アニメあるよね、漫画。Party, yes, party something. So party people. Party is party. P is people. Party people. Party people. Someone who likes holding party, like attending party and drinking alcohol, dancing and shouting out, yay! Yeah, they are party people. I think of someone who likes clubbing. That's right, yeah, clubbing. Yes. Why party if party is party? Because it's more shorter word. American English sound is like a party. Party is like a party. Party. So in Japanese katakana pronunciation, party is a party. So here sounds like a T. But party, this is more close to American English. So we say paripi. I have one more is apiru. What does apiru mean? Api is katakana, so this is English word. This is hiragana. Apply, no. Api, no. Affiliate, no. So apiru desu. So let's say, okay, you have chocolate, and I was like, I am staring your hand, and I won't say nothing, but just like it looks very appealing. Thank you for watching my stream today.